남편 제이크와 함께 마트 정육 코너를 찾은 베티.
What's the step, boys? The inspector's here. Good morning, Mrs. Tremont.
Good morning, Mr. Corman. It says pork chops on sale.
Yes, indeed. Just follow me right over here.
What about these pork chops here?
No, those are not the ones on sale. This row right here on sale as advertised.
I want these pork chops at those prices. It doesn't have their pictures or their ID numbers. It just says pork chops.
You got it?
영화 아버지의 황혼 시작합니다. 고기를 사고 다른 물건을 둘러보던 베티는 갑자기 가슴을 부여잡고 힘들어하는데
Jake.
그 시각 뉴욕에서 회사를 경영하는 존은 동생의 전화를 받게 되고
John, it's about Mom. She's had a heart attack. Can you come out?
곧장 LA로 향한 존은 마중 나온 매제 마리오에게 어머니의 상태를 듣습니다.
Hard to tell with her, you know your mother. She's lying there going into cardiac arrest. She's claiming it's indigestion. She said it was the sausages I made for dinner.
I must really be sick if you're here.
Not many people would have gone for guilt in your situation.
I've the willpower of a woman half my age. Staying alive by willpower, she'll tell you.
You underestimate yourself.
Don't say anything to him about the heart attack.
Mom.
Listen to me. Just tell him it's something went wrong with my insides.
Okay.
이후 존은 부모님의 집으로 향하고
Look at this. Nothing changes. How's he doing?
He's scared, John. He's really, really frightened.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, John. You look good.
I'm going to be staying here a few days.
You heard what happened to Mother.
Yeah. Good. She said to say hello and tell you she was coming home soon.
일 때문에 부모님을 자주 찾아뵙지 못한 존은 동생에게 부모님의 일과에 대해 전해 듣죠.
Start the day by clipping coupons, making out a shopping list. That's very important. Dad gets coffee in the morning, decaf.
Annie, I think I ought to know.
I told you. You didn't hear me. We tried moving him out to our place, but he wasn't comfortable.
I can only stay a few days. What do we do after that?
We're just gonna have to bring someone in.
잠시 뒤 동생이 돌아가고 아버지와 단둘이 남은 존.
I can't find my pajamas. I don't know where Mother keeps them.
Here you go. Why don't you put them on, Dad? I'll do it.
I miss your mother.
She'll be home soon. Good night.
Leave the hall light on.
I will.
아버지의 약해진 모습을 보며 존은 마음이 편치 않았고 존은 어머니를 그리워하는 아버지를 침대에 누이고 방으로 돌아가려다가 아버지 곁에서 잠을 청합니다.
I don't usually eat that much in the morning, Johnny. You're good, though. Do much cooking at home, do you?
Sarah and I split up. Mostly I eat out.
그리고 존은 아버지에게 어머니의 상태를 알리기로 결심하고
It's not cancer, is it?
No, it's not cancer. It was a heart attack, a serious one.
Johnny, she works too hard.
See, Mother's convinced herself nobody can take care of you except her. You are going to have to learn how to do a lot of things around the house by yourself.
I'm going to learn how to do all of those things. You'll see. We'll fool her.
다음 날부터 존은 아버지와 함께 집안일을 시작하죠.
All right, let's start off with the colors, shall we? White, color,
White.
white.
What about this one?
That is white. Okay, it's colored.
Maybe we should call Mother.
I think it's colored. What kind of water do we need? What the hell? Let's live dangerously. Hot.
I think it's white.
이후 부자는 세탁소에 옷을 맡기고
Well, I can't. My license expired a couple of years ago.
When you fail the test.
I didn't take it. I was afraid I couldn't pass it. A good driver knows when he's not a good driver anymore.
사진 속 젊은 날의 아버지를 회상하며 세월의 무게를 깊이 느끼는 존.
Now, I made these cards all color-coded, and there's a different set of cards for each chore.
Fill sink with water.
Right.
Put 1 squeeze of soap in water.
Right.
This is great, Johnny. There's no way I could make a mistake. You know, you could market these.
The stove is out of bounds for now. No stove. No blending.
I think I would work better with this on. Fill the sink.
베티의 빈자리를 서툴게나마 채워나가는 트레몬트 부자.
is a professionally waxed floor, Dad.
No waxy yellow buildup.
We should go out and have a good time. What do you and Mom do around here for fun?
아버지와 함께 빙고장을 찾은 존.
Enjoying yourself, Johnny? Having a good time?
You kidding me? I love this.
그리고 잠시 뒤 아버지 제이크는 우연히 지인을 만났는데
I heard about Nick Price.
He's dead.
That whole table, dead. All of them.
Dead.
And Dolores Parcher from the table next to them.
All of them. The whole table.
Good seeing you again. Long time.
Well, they're a breath of fresh air.
Don't mind them, John. They're clay painters.
When's the last time you played?
3 years.
You're kidding. Why'd you stop?
Mother and I used to enjoy having fun as much as anybody, but
You should remember the fun things you used to do, and you should start doing them.
that's a good idea. Bingo.
What?
I got bingo over here. I have bingo.
다음날 베티의 병실을 찾은 제이크.
Can't believe how good Dad looks.
You really think so?
Listen, I have a lead on somebody to take over at the house. It should only be a day or two.
Well, I can stay till Mom gets home.
Really?
Yeah, no big deal.
Hi, Betty.
Are you all right? Are you eating?
Yeah, I'm fine. John is teaching me to cook, and I do the dishes.
Mom looks good, doesn't she?
Oh, wonderful. I never go anywhere without my tubes. And don't call me Mom. I don't call you son. Why are you cooking?
It's just for a little variety. The night before that, we had coq au vin.
Your father doesn't like foreign food.
It's just chicken and red wine.
I don't want him becoming an alcoholic while I'm in here.
Take it easy enough. You just concentrate on getting better.
이후 존은 사업상 미팅이 있어 아버지와 함께 미팅 장소로 향하고
See, we don't have to leave your father out here in this. Oh, don't be silly. Come on in. Our projections still come up 20% less than yours. We'll be the laughingstock of the industry, and you'll be off on another deal.
The real estate is 50, and we should have no problem turning around their trucking operation. I think we can turn it. The last piece is food wholesaling. We're comfortable with them.
Well, we're talking about buying a salmon cannery, Dad.
I didn't know you knew about stuff like that.
We're just gonna buy the company and then close it down.
You buy companies and close them down?
Turns out to be a lousy business. And the cannery itself is sitting on prime waterfront land.
You ever thought of maybe running these companies?
There's no money in that, Dad.
Wouldn't believe how the world has changed. When you were a boy, you used to go to work at Lockheed with me, remember? You wanted to work there like me. By the time I retired, I was the last of us still working there. My last day, went home with no one even there to say goodbye to. The world's divided into two groups. Here, Johnny, workers and bosses. I'm a worker. You're different.
I don't know, Dad. I think...
It's okay. You're a boss.
Mom?
What do you think?
얼마 뒤 아들의 설득으로 면허갱신을 위해 시험장을 찾은 제이크.
You can't sit there during the test, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can't be in the car.
I won't say a word. You won't even know I'm here.
Either you get out now or your father gets a failing grade.
존은 차에서 내리고 그의 걱정과는 다르게 아버지의 운전 실력은 그대로였죠.
Yo, Dad.
Yo, Billy.
할머니의 병문안을 가기 위해 존의 아들 빌리가 찾아왔고
What are you doing down in Mexico?
A semester break, a bunch of kids were down there.
How's your mother?
You know, third year law, top of her class.
Sunder my best.
How about you? You know, how's business?
Same. You win some, you lose some.
When you finish with that, you can wash it down with a piece of cake.
He looks really good.
Well, we've been spending a lot of time together. Maybe you and I should spend some more time together.
Take it easy, Dad. You know, let's not get carried away.
이후 제이크는 손자와 함께 시간을 보내다가 어떤 장면을 떠올리는데 얼마 뒤 병원에서 퇴원한 베티를 축하하기 위해 모인 트레몬트 가족.
Time to say thanks.
It's a thrill for me, too. Are you finished? My chicken's getting cold.
Very good.
To my lovely bride.
Did you have a drink today, Jake?
Before you came home, Mom, we had a couple of glasses of coq au vin.
Betty, you're back in the bosom of your family.
It's good to be home.
I hear the dorms are co-ed now. Is that true?
Yeah, our dorm's co-ed.
But the girls are falling all over themselves.
Oh, don't worry about me, guys. This isn't at all embarrassing.
Good thing they didn't have that when I was in school. I never would have gotten into studying.
He was a physical education major.
Mario was an excellent student, Mom.
John was a good student.
Thank you, Mommy.
Are the girls on another floor? They're down the hall? How do you find them?
Somebody hose this man down. What is it, Dad? What's the matter?
I'm just happy.
So when do you have to be back at school?
I'm thinking about going back down to Mexico to live for a while.
But believe it or not, you may want a job someday, Bill.
Well, I could say I went to college. Nobody checks.
그때 제이크의 몸에 이상이 생기고
Well, will the tests you've just done tell you that?
I think we should schedule him for exploratory surgery.
For anything serious, Dad, they wouldn't have let you out of there today. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it were just a cyst. I don't even think it's worth telling Mom about it. Why worry her for nothing?
그러나 제이크는 자신의 상태를 베티에게 이야기했는데
He says it's just a cyst. That's a fairly simple procedure.
I'd tell you if there's anything wrong. I would.
Okay.
얼마 뒤 수술을 받기 위해 다시 병원을 찾은 부자.
John, I see men now. They hug. We've never hugged.
Want to give it a try?
I do. I love you, Charlie.
I love you too, Dad.
Cancer.
Yes, a virulent form, too. It's a good thing we went in and got it when we did. But we're gonna have to do some chemotherapy. We won't radiate.
Whatever you do, don't mention cancer to my father. I want to be the one to tell him.
It's cancer, isn't it? I want to go see him.
Mom, you can't go see him right now.
If he was all right, you'd let me see him. This is my husband, and I'm gonna see him.
결국 가족 모두가 제이크의 병실을 찾았는데 그 순간 제이크는 돌연 이상 행동을 보이기 시작합니다.
Why doesn't he know me? What's the matter with him, John?
I'm just fine, thank you.
He's in shock. This is fairly standard with older people.
This is standard? Do you have any idea what happened in there?
Is a form of senility.
He wasn't senile when he came in here. Why should he suddenly go into senility?
We'll be fine, don't worry.
Did you tell my father he has cancer?
But I have an ethical obligation to my patients. He had a right to know.
I told him not to say anything about cancer to my father. He went ahead and told him anyway.
I'm not quite sure what it is you want me to do, Mr. Tremont.
예상치 못한 상황 앞에서 존은 병원장을 찾아가 이야기하지만 그도 가족의 마음을 헤아리지 못하죠.
He has to balance the will of the family members with the patient's right to know.
그리고 며칠 뒤 아버지가 휠체어에 묶여 있는 것을 보고 크게 놀란 존.
He's been flailing around pretty good with those hands.
I don't believe. Hey, look. Look, I brought Annie, and I got Billy here.
Can you hear me?
Hey, Grandpa, it's me, Billy.
I can't stand to see him looking like this.
잠시 뒤 담당의와 병원장이 또다시 별 문제가 없을 거라고 이야기하자 존의 인내심은 바닥이 나는데
You're not going to tell me that this is normal behavior, are you, Doc?
I think the sedative will bring him round.
A sedative? And why don't you give him some secrets, too? Maybe he's got a sore throat you can fix.
그때 병원장이 제이크를 퇴원시키라고 하자 존은 폭발하고야 말죠.
Understand, Mr. Tremont, while his condition is stable, basically he's custodial.
He's not custodial, God damn it! I want him out of here more than you do. You're not good enough to take care of him. I'm taking him home.
Mr. Tremont, this is very unfortunate.
결국 존은 아버지를 모시고 집으로 향하고
If you take Mom out to your place, I'll take care of Dad at home.
I can stay and help.
No.
Well, he's my grandfather.
I don't want you here right now, Billy. You don't have to see this.
Yeah, I understand.
I want to talk to him.
It's not a good idea now, Mom, really. Okay, Mom, okay, come on. John's gonna take care of it.
이날부터 존은 아버지를 돌보기 시작하고
What is that? Did you get that, Dad? Here we go. A club soda. Little home-cooked meal, that's what you need. I think you're right. Why do you taste this? Come on, Dad. All right. We have a sale here. All right.
그런데 잠시 뒤 또다시 이상 행동을 보이는 제이크.
Why are we here? Where's the owner of the house? Why aren't we at the farm? Mandy's out of the pasture again, Ed. I'm worried about her. Hand me that 18 wrench there by the chicken wire. That'll hold her now.
갑작스러운 아버지의 선망 증상에 제이크는 괴로워하다가 다시 아버지를 살피러 방으로 향하는데
Dad? Dad?
Dad? Dad, where are you? Dad? Dad? Dad?
Dad, what the hell are you doing? You! All right, it's okay. Shh, I got you. Come on. I got you, Dad. It's all right. It's okay. I got you.
어쩔 수 없이 다시 병원으로 아버지를 모시고 간 존.
Tremont, you have to understand that doctors are only human too. It's very hard, I realize, for children to understand that their parents have gotten old.
What is it you want? Why are you here?
I think he might be better than Dr. Santana. I'll deny ever having said that.
The CAT scan showed no evidence of a stroke or tumor, but right now I'm inclined to go along with the diagnosis of a seizure. And why is he still comatose? He'll be monitored at all times, and I'll check in and see him twice a day.
We really appreciate your honesty, Doctor.
이후 존은 의식이 없는 아버지의 곁을 지키며 그가 깨어날 수 있도록 정성껏 간호합니다.
I have this idea if I'm sitting there and I'm talking, he won't die.
Why can't you let him go?
Maybe I want to be there to mark the end.
What more could you possibly have done?
To prove he was here, to prove I was his son.
존은 그동안 자신들을 위해서 평생을 일만하신 아버지에 대한 고마움과 미안함을 이야기하고
He just did it because he was the father and that was the deal he made. We'd care for him and watch over him when he got older. I screwed that up. But I'm going to be there when he dies. And I'm going to kiss him. I owe him that.
When did you get back in town?
I never left. I've been staying with some friends.
You've been coming here every day?
Whenever you leave, one of the nurses calls me. Guess I dozed off. Sorry.
존은 그동안 가족에게 소홀했던 지난 날을 반성하면서 늦었지만 좋은 아들, 좋은 아버지가 되기로 결심합니다. 그런데 그때 제이크가 정신을 차리고
Where am I, Johnny? You're in a hospital. But why are you here?
He speaks?
It's something he learned as a child.
기적적으로 깨어난 제이크를 보자마자 사람들은 크게 기뻐하는데 정작 제이크는 어리둥절해하죠.
All the tests are positive.
What happened? What's going on?
존은 아버지가 갑자기 좋아진 이유가 궁금했고
It was your love and caring that called your father back from where he...
얼마 뒤 제이크는 또다시 어떤 장면을 머릿속에 떠올리면서 아들과 손자와 함께 시내에 나갑니다.
Dad, what are you looking for?
We need some new clothes. Look here. We haven't had enough laughter in our house for the past 10 years. What do you think of that?
제이크는 그동안 걱정이 많았던 아내를 위해서 아들 손자와 함께 즐거움을 선사하기로 하죠.
I never heard of anybody dying. Wouldn't that be nice?
I tell you, Johnny, he's not the same. Nobody could believe he's a 78-year-old man who almost died a few weeks ago.
갑자기 건강해진 제이크의 모습에 베티는 오히려 걱정이 됐고
What on earth are you looking for?
I'm not looking for anything. I want to see if I can still do a push-up.
Well, whatever's going on with Dad, I think it's pretty terrific.
Johnny, I'm scared. He says we live on a farm in Cape May, New Jersey.
What? Dad?
She told you, huh?
Yeah.
Take me for a ride.
제이크는 자신이 기억하는 것과 지금의 상황이 너무 달라서 혼란스러웠는데
We live on a farm in Cape May, New Jersey.
Dad, you've been living here in L.A. about 25 years.
But what chance is there that Mother and I have 4 kids?
I don't think there's much chance, Dad.
No chance that I have a little truck farm there?
Held a regular job. Lockheed till you're retired.
How can you be at 2 places at once?
Over the years, he hasn't been getting enough pleasure out of his daily life. He's created a personal experience more to his liking, an alternate coping system. Since his recovery, he's been a happy person. The walls dividing his 2 worlds have broken down.
How long has this been going on?
At least 20 years, maybe more.
Where's my mother in all this? Is she just shut out?
She's younger. You all are. Supportive, very sweet.
She has her moments.
If your mother doesn't go along with him here, he'll just fade away again.
Oh, it's a wonderful day. Let's go to the beach.
Well, what will people think if they see you like this?
Who cares? No, just stop. worrying what people think.
I'll go with you, Dad.
Good boy, good boy.
It's very important that you support him right now. A very well-defined and lovely dream world.
The man is living in another time zone. I think it should be pointed out. I don't care what you say. It's not normal.
I think this is the real Jake Tremont. He's just been hiding for 50 years.
이후에도 제이크는 아내와 함께 그동안 담을 쌓아왔던 이웃들을 찾아다니며 자신들을 소개하고 베이비시터 일도 합니다.
Look at him race. You're lying. There, that one.
So how's it going with that?
He keeps coming into my bed at night. He won't leave me alone. Oh, grow up.
We don't speak Japanese.
You just realized that.
We should eat food only from that country and speak that country's language. Eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the train station? I think this is good. This is working. I'm beginning to feel very Japanese.
Pass the rice, please.
Only if you ask in Japanese. Arigato.
I'm getting the spirit.
No.
Ie. No.
Honey, would you pass me gohan or watashi?
What do you want? The rice?
No.
And what about the soy sauce and some tofu? Mom, what about the fish? You want that? Here. I don't want to know Japanese, and I don't want to know the neighbor's children. No, I can't take this to Jake. I don't want this.
Mom, would you just take it easy? Stop.
Since he came out of the hospital, it's been like a loony bin around here.
He's just trying to enjoy himself.
With that crazy person as a companion in my old age.
You're very impressed that he didn't go insane just hanging around you.
Don't say those things to your mother.
We're family. That's all that counts. Let's love each other. Forget.
Why? Why are you doing this?
I want my husband back.
He's loved you for 50 years. Can't you let him have what's left?
이후 베티는 혼자 있는 제이크에게 다가가서 자신의 심정을 이야기하고
Was it so terrible here with me?
We just got off the track a little.
You're asking me to turn my back on our whole life together.
Oh, God, Betty, you took it all on by yourself. You were so good. I want to dance with you again before I die.
Don't talk about dying.
Dying's not a sin. Not living is.
그동안 남편의 마음을 헤아리지 못한 미안함 속에서 자신을 한결같이 사랑해준 남편을 바라보며 베티는 그의 뜻대로 여생을 보내기로 결심합니다.
Good morning, Mother.
Good morning.
Nice outfit.
Your father likes it.
그런데 정기검진을 받기 위해 병원을 찾은 부자는 충격적인 결과를 듣게 됩니다.
Cancer's back. It's spread. It's in the lymph system.
How long? Dr. Chad?
Not long.
더 이상 손을 쓸 수 있는 방법이 없자 존은 괴로움과 동시에 빌리에게 좋은 아버지가 되지 못했던 것에 부끄러움을 느끼고 자신의 심정을 아들 앞에서 솔직하게 이야기하기로 결심합니다.
Why was making money always more important to you than me or Mom?
Because I like the power of it.
I would never run away from my family.
Leaving was the toughest thing I ever did. There was pain, a lot. There still is. I've missed you, Billy. And you may not need me or even want me around, but I like to stay in your life. Be forgiving.
그리고 얼마 뒤 아버지의 병실을 찾은 존.
You know what I've been thinking about? 1947 World Series.
What about the 47 World Series? How's that fit in?
Between the Yankee center fielder, Joe DiMaggio, and the Dodger left fielder, Al Gianfrido. 2 on, 2 out, upsteps DiMaggio. Hit a smash deep left field. Here comes this little Gianfrido guy. He's racing after the ball, reaches over the rail, robs DiMaggio of a 3-run homer. DiMaggio was just approaching second base when he kicked the dirt. Like that. You know what that means to me? Anything is possible if you show up for work. Sometimes I wish I'd held you more when you were a kid. I wish I kissed you more. You know how much I love you.
Yeah.
A lot has happened, Johnny. Some good, some bad. But when I look at you, I know I must have done something right.
아들과의 작별 인사를 마친 제이크는 얼마 뒤 세상을 떠나고
We just wanted to take some time to say goodbye our way. So much that's alive and growing, which is still how I think of you. Grandpa, I love you, and I miss you already. Dad and I are here, and we're together.
This is good. I feel better.
Me too.
마지막 순간까지 가족을 먼저 생각했던 아버지. 이제 남은 이들은 그가 꿈꾸던 행복을 기억하며 서로를 더 깊이 사랑하고 아끼며 살아가기로 합니다. 아버지는 떠났지만 그의 사랑은 가족 안에서 숨쉬며 영원히 함께할 것입니다.